Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Missouri visiting once again with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decisional Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, we're waking up to some haze in the air this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we got haze being reported all the way through western Kansas, the state of Nebraska, all of Colorado and Wyoming, and that's due to the wildfires that are burning up there in the northwestern Rockies. We got a wind direction over the top of that ridge that's over Nevada coming from a northwest, so that's pulling that haze and smoke down over the area. And we also got dew points that are down there with some dry air in place that are in the 40s out in Colorado and the 50s. We're starting off with morning temperatures on a cool side. We got 52 in Lyman, 56 Burlington and Gedland, 59 in Colby, and 57 in McCook. And that haze visibility is anywhere from a quarter mile in some locations to 2 to 3 in that Oberlin and McCook area. This afternoon, we'll continue those hazy skies. The winds will eventually turn from a southwest to a southeast direction, but very light at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Highs will top out in the upper 80s and lower 90s, and then that's kind of the start of a heat wave that'll continue as that ridge that's sitting out over Nevada will expand over the central and northern plains starting tomorrow and through the end of the week. That'll push temperatures in the mid to upper 90s and also our overnight lows in those middle 60s. Winds will continue to be light from a variable direction starting at the southwest in the morning, turning to the southeast in the evening. We'll have a little bit of a reprieve from the warm-up. It'll kind of halt there Friday and Saturday in those mid to upper 90s just for a day or so as a trough comes in the Pacific Northwest and goes through Canada. That could trigger some thunderstorm activity late Saturday afternoon and evening and into early Sunday morning, but that would be our only chance in the extended period as that high pressure moves over the center of the country on Sunday and through all of next week, blocking any systems coming across the continental United States. That's going to lead to triple-digit heat starting on Sunday, probably all of next week, and then we've got to start keeping our eyes on heat advisories and the fire weather conditions. We are already starting to see 14-day precipitation totals go an inch below normal. If we don't see any rain the next 14 days, we're going to get really dry, and that's going to elevate drought, fire concerns, and also with that triple-digit heat, we got to watch for heat indices specifically to the east where there's more humid air, and the fire concerns are probably more out in Colorado where it's drier. It'll all depend on if we can get those winds to blow any stronger than 20 miles per hour. Right now, it looks kind of iffy that we're going to see a lot of wind with this heat wave, just a lot of 100-degree heat.
Okay, once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decisional Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Missouri.